5 new features in MIUI 12 beta. Hey peeps, what's up? Panchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 new features which I found in MIUI 12 beta running on my Redmi K20 Pro. First up, we have new filters in the gallery for sky. So let's say you have a picture which has the sky in it. We'll open the picture, go into edit, and here we have the option for sky. When you open it for the first time, make sure you connect it to the internet because it is going to download the filters. Next up, you can see that we have dynamic filters, and this is something new. You can add snow effect, rain effect, twilight effect, and different other effects as well. Let's try the twilight one, and there it is. It is going to add some background sound as well. Let's mute it for now, and then once you're happy with the results, just click on the check mark. It is going to create a small video out of it, and we can always go back to the gallery application and check out the video which we just created. So here on screen is the video which we just created, and as you can see, the effects which were added look pretty cool. Staying with the gallery application, you now have a full-fledged video editor. So if you go back into the gallery application and then click on memories, you have an option for video editor. Here it is going to show you all the videos which it finds on your device, and then select a video, click on the check mark on the top right, and then it is going to import the video into the editor, and bam, here it is. Again, you have different filters, you can add captions, you have a editor, and you have templates as well. We can try one of these templates. Let's try the retro one. Of course, make sure you're connected to the internet, and it is going to download this specific template for us. And there it is. As you could hear, once the template has downloaded, it is going to create another small video for it, and once you're happy with the result, just click on save, and it is going to export the video. And here on screen is the video which we just created, which you can of course go back into the gallery application and play it. So a pretty nifty feature of adding a video editor in MIUI 12. Next up, we have options to change the camera layout. So if you open the camera application, and then right now you will see that we have the more button if we scroll. However, if you want to add the more button for swipe up, you can go into the settings, and then you can go into customize, and then if you go into camera modes, you will see that you have two options, either a more tab, which is what we have right now, or you can have a more panel. And once you change over to the more panel, all you need to do is swipe up to get your different options. So once you swipe up, you have the different options which previously showed up in more. So now more has disappeared. Next up, the video toolbox option has some more options. So for starters, you need to go into settings and special features, go into video toolbox, make sure that it is enabled for the application, and right now it is enabled in Mi Video. Let me enable it in the gallery application as well. And now if I open the gallery application, and if I swipe from the left edge, which is where I have the video toolbox set to, go into style, I have different options to configure my display style. Right now it is set to original. I can choose outdoor, cinema, retro, or black and white. So this is an addition which they have added to video toolbox. And the last new feature which I found is if you go into settings, and if you then move over to sound and vibration, scroll down, you have an option called sound assistant, and if you enable this toggle which says adjust media sound in multiple apps, this will let you control the volume from a specific application. So let's say right now I am in the music application, and then if I go into my music and play the song which I was originally playing, right? You can see that it is playing, but there is no sound coming. And that is because I've set the media output from this specific application to be minimum or zero right now. Here it is. Tap on this button, and I can now increase or decrease the sound coming from the music application. Similarly, you can set it for multiple apps. You can set it for YouTube. You can also go into the gallery application and open the videos which we had created. So here is the video, and again no sound is coming. Let us tap on the volume rockers, tap on this button, and we can now control the media volume from the gallery application as well. So there it is, peeps. Those were the new features which I found in the MIUI 12 beta running on the Redmi K20 Pro, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.